Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I had a couple guys ask me, I guess, I don't know, the way my truck's set up, what I did to it or whatnot inside, what kind of food I had and stuff. So I'm going to turn this camera around and I guess show some of the crap that's in my fridge and what I'm going to cook with, and just how the truck's laid out. Alright, so it's a 9400 International. We all know that these dashboards here, they like to crack and fall apart. Same thing with these. Luckily mine's not too bad. I just had to put some extra screws in it. You can buy a whole plate here to fix this. Right now it's not that bad. This is my setup. Got the fan. Haven't put my CB radio in because the wiring, the antenna wires broke somewhere, so the antenna's shot. So I have to reroute all new wires out to the mirrors. So I just haven't got around to doing that yet. If you look here, you can see that. Put that chrome strip over there. Those all like to break. Plastics on them. You can get that chrome strip there on floor states. And when you pull these boxes out, you can easily just tie these up and tighten these straps up. So it's got regular truck stop mount there for your phone. Got a RAM mount for the tablet. That's a Garmin 700 diesel. I used to always buy Rand McNally's. I never had really good luck with the Garmin. I had a Kenworth that had a Garmin in it, building a dash, and I don't know, it just never seemed right. But this one's pretty decent. Still you gotta check Google, check your Atlas and stuff. Don't ever rely on the GPS. The only thing I like about this GPS more than my Rand McNally that I had was on the phone, you got an app. You just open the app up, and literally you can copy and paste the directions on the app, and it'll send it right to the GPS. So there's no sitting there trying to type in the address, change the state and everything. You can do it right on the fly. It also works as a Bluetooth, hands-free, and it'll tell you your text messages, and everything. So it's pretty decent for that. So coming to the back here. This never came. This is the cheap model, I guess. Never came with the cabinets or not. So I ended up buying these nets on Amazon, and I just pretty much took the screws out here and here and put them up. And they're a double-sided net. Hold stuff in between. Hold stuff there. It's pretty much my clothes over here. The closet, I guess you could say. Got my paperwork and stuff up there. Got to replace that fan. Here I took out the where the fridge normally would have went in the cabinet. Pulled that cabinet out and put. I always buy, even the Cascadia I had. I always buy these double-decker refrigerators with the bigger freezer in them. As you can see, pretty much hold all the food you want. So I got some chicken in there, chicken breast, some salmon. There's a pack of steaks in there, and then I usually buy these healthy, simple healthy, TV dinners, I guess you could call them. Only like 300 calories, 400 calories, and I take the boxes out so I can put more in here. And pretty much that's my lunch. Those quick and easy, simple TV dinners, I guess you can call them. And dinners, the salmon or the chicken or the steak. And you always got a decent side, oven roasted broccoli and cauliflower, stuff like that. I got roasted red potatoes. And I just throw these either in the microwave or I throw them in the air fryer and just roast them. So usually it's never that full, but The doors usually stay closed even without these on. These are child locks from Walmart, and I put them on there so the doors don't fly open or whatnot. And all I really keep in my fridge is water. I don't even know if this stuff's gonna fall out. Yeah, water, eggs, some condiments. I got some salad down there. Pretty much not a lot of fridge stuff I keep because it likes to go bad a lot. Usually I got a half a gallon of milk in there. Over here is all my food and condiments, some paperwork. Usually put my PODs in there. Let's see here. I got my vitamins, my bowls, pretty much non-perishables, bread, sometimes peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for lunch, microwave. All this stuff's just strapped down. This is strapped right to the floor. Just bought some black 500-pound straps from Walmart and screwed, pretty much metal screwed, the eyelets into the floor. Same thing here, just drilled some holes. Just hooked that right into there, into the metal rack. This ain't going anywhere. Got my plates over there, my utensils. Pretty much most of my utensils and stuff I clean off with some bacterial wipes. This is pretty good because this actually doesn't, I forget what it has, but it doesn't actually leave any residue. And it's not like bleach or anything. So it's easy to clean the plates and stuff. Yeah, I bought these two off Amazon, just stick on here. Those are just cleaning wipes, clean your hands and stuff. So that's pretty much it for back here. I got to get the bolt through there. When I bought it, it didn't even have that. It was just sitting there, so I ended up improvising right now. So I get to a junkyard or something, throw that up there. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Not much going on here. This ain't no Kenworth or Globetrotter Volvo. So eventually I'm going to mount my TV here on a swing. No way I can swing it and either put it back there. I'll probably get some cubby bins, or maybe even order. Apparently the truck originally had some kind of shelving or something right here, and I'll probably put cubbies or something there. There's my air fryer for right now until I get something built on top of here to hold it. That and an Instapot. Air fryer and Instapot is pretty much all you really need. And then, an inverter. My inverter is mounted down here underneath the bed. Let me see here. Pretty much it's got this nice shelf here. I usually keep my canned goods and stuff up there. Got my water back there, got water over there. My tools. There's my inverter. Like I said before, last time I put that inverter in, always get a pure sine wave inverter. I used to always just buy the cheap modified one, and I used to go through a fridge about every 2 years or whatnot. The pump would just seize up. Usually with modified sine, the microwave never was too happy either. Usually with a modified sine wave inverter, causes a lot more heat. It's not like a pure sine wave, the power output, and it just puts a strain on your appliances. So why not just get, spend another $100 more and just get a pure sine wave? I think that's a 3,500 watt inverter. I think I paid $300 for it. So, well, that's my setup. Anybody else wants to know anything, just comment. And I guess we'll go from there. So until next time. Try not to be on Bonehead Truckers. So.